Hey there, fantastic viewers. A big thumbs up to you for choosing this video amidst the vast digital expanse. Get ready to embark on a journey of knowledge and creativity with Fix-It. Buckle up as we delve into the exciting realm of DIY expertise. Today, I'm thrilled to unveil the secrets behind crafting something truly amazing. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just stepping into the world of creativity, you're in for a treat. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way, you won't miss a single moment of the Fix-It magic. Our channel is your go-to destination for enlightening tutorials. Today, we'll talk about how to log out from your Twitter or X account. So the first step is to open your Twitter or X account. Then tap on your profile icon on top left corner of the screen. Click on Setting and Support. Then tap Setting and Privacy.